welcome back to my channel, or hi, hello if you're new here. Today I'm going to be doing a fall makeup tutorial, and I am so excited because I love fall, and I'm just so excited that it's finally going to get cold out. I love just dark, dramatic makeup. This one isn't too dark and dramatic. This is a bit more of a wearable fall makeup tutorial. I feel like you could do this and incorporate this into your everyday routine. Maybe not wear this bright red lipstick every single day, but you probably could do the eye look every day and it would be alright. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this tutorial. Alright, so we're going to be using my eye and cheek palette from Profusion Cosmetics for this eyeshadow look today. And the first shade that I'm going to go into is the shade Cookie, and I am just going to be applying that to my crease as my transition shade, and I'm going to use this tiny little crease brush. So now I'm going to take a tiny little bit of the shade Honest, and I am just going to apply that to the outer half of my eyelid, and then I'm going to work the rest of the shade into my crease. And again, I'm just going to be using this tiny little crease brush to apply that shade. Now I'm just going to take my unicorn eyeshadow blending brush, and I'm just going to blend those shades out. Now I'm going to take the shade Love, and I'm going to apply that into the inner half of my eyelid. And I'm just going to be applying that shade using the e.l.f. eyeshadow brush. I'm just going to take my blending brush, and I'm going to blend everything out just one more time. I'm going to curl my eyelashes using my e.l.f. eyelash curler, and then I'm going to apply some mascara, and the mascara that I'm going to be using is the Essence 18-Hour Volume Stylish Lash Extension Mascara to the tops and bottoms of my lashes. So now I'm going to take the bronzer from this bronzer and highlighter duo from Beauty Big Bangs, and I'm just going to use that to warm up my face a bit. This is in the shade 03, and to apply the bronzer to my face, I'm just going to be using this e.l.f. angled blush brush. To apply the blush from the eye and cheek palette from Profusion, and I'm going to be using the shade Great on my cheeks, and to apply it, I'm just going to be using this unicorn angled blush brush. For highlighter, I really just want to keep it really low-key and simple, so I'm going to be using the Essence Pure Nude Highlighter in the shade Be My Highlight, and I'm just going to be applying that using the e.l.f. highlighting brush. Last but certainly not least, for lips, I'm just going to be using this Beauty Creations Long Wear Matte Lip Gloss in the shade Kiss Me. And this is just a really pretty red color, and it's going to be perfect for fall. That is it for this makeup tutorial. Thank you all so much for watching this video. I hope y'all really did enjoy it, and I really hope that I helped give you some inspiration for your fall makeup look. And so yeah, I will see you all in Saturday's video. Bye guys, thanks for watching.